Another demonstration that groups are coming back to life. Today in my home feed at the very top is a prompt to ask a question in a group that I belong to. So it's not a group that I'm an admin of, but a group I belong to. And it's right above my prompt to post. So have a look at your own home feed and look out for group prompts. And look at which groups you're getting the prompts from. And maybe then it might be time to review the groups that you're in and the groups that you should be in. So you can use search, and if you click into search, you can actually go into the group filter using keywords and do a search for groups. So here's all the groups on LinkedIn, but you can actually use filters and keywords to find groups. And if you're on the home page, if you scroll down the left-hand side, you'll see the groups area. And if you click into that, you'll see a list of the groups that you are a member of and own. So have a review of your own group strategy, and maybe it's time to think about either engaging more in groups, joining groups, or starting your own.